We all have dreams, dreams that light up our imagination and fill our hearts with hope and excitement. These dreams can be as vast as the universe or as personal as a quiet moment of reflection, things we long to do, achieve, and experience. These milestones and adventures are what make life rich and fulfilling. They are the moments we cherish and the stories we love to tell. But sometimes the path to those dreams feels long and tiring. The journey can be filled with obstacles and challenges that test our resolve and determination. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and lose sight of our goals. This is where motivation-driven time management comes in. By combining the power of motivation with the structure of time management, we can create a roadmap to success. It's about setting clear goals, breaking them down into manageable steps, and staying focused on what truly matters. It's like having a secret weapon, a tool that helps us navigate the complexities of life with confidence and clarity. When we harness the power of motivation, we unlock our potential and discover new paths to our dreams. This approach combines the power of excitement, motivation, with the structure of planning, time management. It's about finding joy in the process and staying committed to our vision. When we are motivated, planning becomes an exciting adventure rather than a tedious task. Think about something you're truly passionate about, something that makes your heart sing and your spirit soar. It could be a creative pursuit, a meaningful cause, or a personal ambition that fuels your soul. It could be a hobby, a cause, or a future goal. These passions are the driving force behind our actions and the source of our greatest achievements. They give us a sense of purpose and direction. When you feel that spark of excitement, it's like a burst of energy, right? That's motivation. It's the fuel that propels us forward and keeps us going, even when the going gets tough. It's the inner fire that ignites our actions and drives us towards our dreams. Now, imagine harnessing that energy and using it to fuel your actions. Imagine channeling that excitement into every task, every step, and every moment of your journey. This is the essence of motivation-driven time management. That's what motivation-driven time management is all about. It's about aligning your daily actions with your deepest desires and staying focused on what truly matters. It's about making every moment count and turning your dreams into reality. It's about using your passions to ignite action and propel you towards your goals. When you're motivated, every challenge becomes an opportunity, and every setback becomes a stepping stone to success. It's about working smarter, not harder, by aligning your time with your deepest desires. By staying motivated and focused, you can achieve more with less effort and enjoy the journey along the way. So, let your passions guide you and let motivation ignite your actions. Choose wisely. Every day, we have a limited amount of energy and time. It's like having a bank account. You can spend your resources on anything you want, but once they're gone, they're gone. That's why it's crucial to be mindful of where you invest your energy. Do you find yourself getting bogged down by unimportant tasks? Are you constantly saying yes to things that drain your energy? It's time to take back control. Identify your priorities. What truly matters to you? What tasks will bring you closer to your goals? Once you know your priorities, you can start saying no to distractions and yes to activities that align with your passions. Remember, every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else. Choose wisely. Imagine setting off on a journey without a destination in mind. You might wander aimlessly, never quite reaching your full potential. That's why setting goals is so important. Goals act as your roadmap, guiding your actions and giving you a sense of direction. They provide clarity and purpose, helping you stay focused on what truly matters. Start by setting small, achievable goals. As you accomplish these, you'll gain momentum and confidence to tackle larger aspirations. Remember to write down your goals and break them down into smaller steps. This will make them feel less daunting and more manageable. From dreams to reality, stories of inspired action, these are the tales of individuals who dared to dream big and took the necessary steps to turn those dreams into reality. Think about some of the most successful people in the world. People like Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, or Serena Williams. Their journeys are not just about talent or luck. They are about relentless effort, unwavering focus, and inspired action. They didn't achieve their dreams by chance. Every step they took was deliberate, every decision calculated, and every action purposeful. They were driven by passion, set clear goals, and meticulously planned their paths. They understood that success is not a destination but a journey that requires constant effort and adaptation. Take Oprah, for example. Her story is one of resilience and determination. She managed her time effectively, always prioritizing what mattered most. She overcame incredible obstacles to become a media mogul and philanthropist. From her early days in a radio station to receiving numerous awards, Oprah's journey is a testament to what can be achieved with hard work and dedication. She didn't let setbacks define her. Instead, she viewed them as opportunities to learn and grow, using each challenge as a stepping stone to greater success. Instead, she used them as fuel to work harder and smarter. Or consider Elon Musk, another epitome of inspired action, the visionary entrepreneur behind Tesla and SpaceX. His journey is marked by ambitious goals and an unyielding work ethic. He sets ambitious goals and works tirelessly to achieve them, often pushing the boundaries of what is considered possible. His vision extends beyond the ordinary, aiming to revolutionize industries and inspire future generations, inspiring others to push the boundaries of what's possible. These individuals and countless others show us that with the right mindset and dedication, we can achieve extraordinary things. They exemplify the power of motivation-driven time management. Their stories teach us that success is not just about having a dream, but about taking consistent, inspired action towards that dream. They teach us that with passion, dedication, and a strategic approach to time, anything is possible. Whether it's in sports, arts, business, or personal endeavors, the principles remain the same. And a strategic approach to time, anything is possible. By managing our time effectively, setting clear goals, and staying motivated, we too can turn our dreams into reality. These stories of inspired action remind us that the power to achieve greatness lies within each of us. Oprah didn't just happen, it takes focused effort. Her journey to becoming a media mogul is a testament to the power of perseverance and dedication. From her humble beginnings to her rise as one of the most influential women in the world, Oprah's story is a powerful reminder that success is not an accident. It's easy to look at successful people and think they were just lucky or destined for greatness. We often see the end result, the accolades, and the fame, but we rarely see the hard work and sacrifices that went into achieving that success. It's a common misconception that success comes easily to those who are meant to have it. But the truth is, success rarely happens overnight. It is a gradual process that requires time, patience, and a lot of effort. The journey to success is often filled with long days, sleepless nights, and countless moments of doubt. It's about showing up every day, even when the odds are against you. It's the result of consistent effort, unwavering focus, and a deep-seated belief in oneself. Every small step, every late-night work session, and every moment of determination adds up over time. It's about pushing through the challenges and staying committed to your goals, no matter how difficult the journey may be. Oprah Winfrey, for instance, didn't magically become a media powerhouse. She started her career in local radio and television, facing numerous obstacles along the way. Her early years were marked by struggles and setbacks, but she never let those challenges define her. Instead, she used them as fuel to keep moving forward. She faced numerous challenges and setbacks throughout her career. From being told she wasn't fit for television to dealing with personal and professional hurdles, Oprah's journey was anything but smooth. But she never let those obstacles deter her from her path. She remained focused on her vision and continued to work tirelessly towards her goals. She never gave up on her dreams. She kept pushing forward no matter how tough the road became. Her resilience and determination are what set her apart. She understood that every setback was just a setup for a comeback, and she used each challenge as an opportunity to grow and improve. She worked tirelessly, honed her skills, and surrounded herself with supportive people. Oprah knew the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. She invested in herself, sought out mentors, and built a network of individuals who believed in her vision. This support system played a crucial role in her success. Her story reminds us that success is a journey, not a destination. It's about the process, the growth, and the lessons learned along the way. Every step, no matter how small, is a part of the larger journey towards achieving your dreams. It's about embracing the journey and finding joy in the progress you make. It requires dedication, resilience, and a willingness to put in the work, even when it's hard. Success is not handed to you on a silver platter, it's earned through hard work and perseverance. It's about staying committed to your goals, even when the going gets tough, and never losing sight of your vision. Remember, you have the power to create your own success story. It starts with believing in yourself and taking consistent action towards your goals. Every small step you take brings you closer to your dreams. It's about having the courage to pursue your passions and the determination to see them through. It starts with believing in yourself and taking consistent action towards your goals. Set clear goals, make a plan, and take action every day. Surround yourself with positive influences, stay focused on your vision, and never give up. Your journey to success may be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Keep pushing forward, and you'll achieve greatness. Time is your ally. Tools for maximum impact. Now that you understand the importance of motivation and goal setting, let's talk about practical tools to manage your time effectively. Think of these tools as your allies in the quest to achieve your dreams. One powerful tool is the humble timer. Set a timer for a specific task and focus solely on that task until the timer goes off. This technique, known as the Pomodoro technique, can help you power through distractions and boost your productivity. Another helpful tool is a planner or calendar. Schedule your day, week, or even month in advance. Block out time for work, leisure, and everything in between.